Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Leriana Dirasari with student identification number 23060306 from class A3. On this occasion, I will explain a scientific article entitled Analysis of Student Internet Utilization to Improve Public Information Era 4.0. The article, written by Sri Nurhayati and Safuri Musa, published in Sociality Journal, Volume 8, Issue 2. The article focuses on how students use the internet to improve their information literacy in the digital era. This article begins with an abstract that explains the aim of the study, which is to determine the level of information literacy, the use of the internet as a source of literacy, and how it affects student reading interest at IKIP Siliwangi. The research used a qualitative descriptive method, collecting data, through questionnaire, interview, and documentation. The results show that student understanding of information literacy is still low, and they tend to use the internet more for social media rather than as a learning resource. Consequently, student reading interest remain low. The introduction discusses how the Industrial Revolution 4.0 made technology the foundation of almost all aspects of human life. The Indonesian government responded by launching three literacy movements: digital literacy, technology literacy, and human literacy. However, public information literacy and reading interest in Indonesia are still low, which became the main reason this study was conducted. This section mostly uses present tense to describe facts and conditions related to the topic. The literature review consists of three parts. The first part, Industrial Revolution 4.0, explains that this revolution originated and in Germany and focuses on digital transformation through the use of artificial intelligence, robotic, and smart systems. The second part, information literacy define information literacy as a person's ability to identify, evaluate, use, and communicate information effectively and ethically. This section mostly use present tense because they define and explain concepts. In the research methodology, the author used a qualitative descriptive approach with the researcher acting as the main instrument. The participant consisted of 23 students related to literacy, 16 students related to information literacy, 18 students related to internet utilization, and one lecturer from the community education department. The research process including three stages. The preparation stage, where instruments and methods were arranged. The implementation stage, which involved distributing questionnaires and conducting interviews. And the evaluation stage, which focused on analyzing data and making conclusions. This part mainly used past tense since it described activities already completed. Result and discussion section is divided into three main parts. The first part, discussion student level of information literacy, showing that their understanding of information seeking and selection is still low, where their understanding of information dissemination is better. Therefore, students still need more guidance in using information effectively. Explain internet utilization are a source of student information literacy. It revealed that although students know how to use the internet, they rarely use it for learning. Most students use it for social media instead of academic purpose. The author suggests that lectures should integrate in information literacy indicator intro learning activities. Third part discusses internet utilization to increase reading interest. The study found that student reading interest is low because they prefer using the internet and social media to visiting the library. Factors such as expensive books and limited library facilities also contribute to this problem. Even though internet access is available, it is still mostly used for entertainment. This part uses a mix of part and present tense to describe finding and their implication. The conclusion states that student understanding of information literacy and their use of the internet as a learning research are still limited. Most students use the internet for entertainment rather than education. Therefore, the research recommends that students should improve their understanding of information and use various digital applications to support learning and increase reading interest. This section uses present tense to state the study's main finding. In the acknowledgement and declaration section, the author thanks everyone who helped during the research process and states that there were no conflict of interest in conducting or publishing this study. Overall, this article highlights the importance of improving student digital literacy skill to adapt the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.